What's going on, guys? It's also Volak back here with another vlog to give yous. Got the Red Bull out here. Yeah, sponsor me, Red Bull. And we're at another skate park. We're gonna see, what we can get out. I wasn't planning on riding today, but the weather cleared up. It was supposed to rain all day, but as you can tell, it's nice and sunny now. So we're gonna see what we can get into today. And a little side note, any vlog that I make, it's really whatever happens, happens. Nothing's really planned out, so that's what makes the video even more interesting. So let's get into it and see what we can get into.
Downtime. I came for nothing, now I run the budget. I got chains all on me like I'm from a dungeon. All these rappers trying to make assumptions, talking on my name and you get fucking punished. Diamonds raining, diamonds falling from the sky, diamonds dancing, oh you gotta love it. I was broken, now I break the bank. I walk up in that bitch like I fucking run it. And I don't got no time for the lames. Shine bright like all the stones in my chain. Fight anyone who
So before it was sunny as hell, now it's cloudy and windy as shit right now. So we're gonna see, continue to ride. We're gonna try finding something covered in case it does rain. If not, we're gonna see what else today will be in store. Stay tuned. Alright, we're not going to be going indoors. The sky's clearing up again. Crazy ass fucking weather. But we're going to be riding this little wall ride, bank ramp setup.
I like the world, put an end to you all, motherfucker. Life's a bitch and I will never trust her. If they talking middle finger, fuck her. Show your diamonds on them motherfuckers. Ice the world into a frozen tundra. Show your diamonds on them motherfuckers. Show your diamonds on them motherfuckers. It's icy rotten, tell them boys they luck up. Life's a bitch and I will never trust her. If they talking middle finger, fuck them. Show your diamonds on them motherfuckers. Ice the world into a frozen tundra. Show your diamonds on them motherfuckers. Show your diamonds on them motherfuckers. It's icy rotten, tell them boys they luck up. I'll ice the world into a frozen tundra, bitch. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm going to wrap the video up right here and eat my food and play some GTA. Tell me what you thought about the video below. Hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I'll see you in the next one.